Hi, today I'm going to show you how the SmartMirror system allows the doctor to document treatments while working by using the MIRI language. In the following tutorial, we will learn how to take an image and record a video. How? Simple! While aiming the camera at the relevant area, simply say MIRI, and then the tooth number. For example, you can take a photo of tooth number 1 by saying MIRI 1. The system will take a photo, associate it with the relevant tooth, and save it in the patient file. In order to record a video, aim the camera at the relevant area and say MIRI video, and then describe information relevant to the course of the treatment, including treatment details, dosage of substances, clarifications, and agreements of the parties. Once you're finished, say thank you. For example, MIRI video. We can see what appears to be a cavity on tooth A. Thank you. All information will be transcribed and kept in the patient file, and videos will be saved in the SmartMirror system. Here are a few tips for best results while speaking to the mirror. Make sure it's quiet, keep the mirror stable, look at the screen, be sure the image is steady, speak clearly, and wait a moment between reports. For more information about the MIRI language, check out our playlist, Voice Commands, the MIRI language. A link can be found in the description below.